Yep, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Geezo. And today, we're going to be making some Jack Daniel's sauce for our chicken wings. Stay tuned.
Money, get that money. Now more business.
We're going to stir these around again. So we're going to put it back in on full 100. At 18 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna cook our sauce. You get a spoon, or you're gonna need some. I got some garlic and some ginger that I already cut up. You don't need much. I'll put the right amount of everything in the description. I might overuse or underuse, but I'll put everything in the description. So it's a hot pan. You wanna let that cook in there. You want to get you some butter. Throw it in there with it. I might need to turn it down a bit. I need some more butter. Put my pan on real quick. Like I said, I have all the measurements in the description or on the screen, so you can know how much to use. Me, I just like double stuff in there. So while it's cooking, get your pan. Put your pan flat. I need a cup. Okay. So I'm gonna give me about a shot. Well, that's almost a double shot. Dump it on in there. Might need a little more. You need some Worcester sauce. You need some of that. You need some soy sauce. You're gonna need some hot sauce. We'll stir it around. Still is cooking. You're gonna need some honey. Probably should get a spoon and scoop this out, huh? Find a little spoon. maybe a knife. Maybe a knife. So I added my honey. So now I'm also going to add a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. So we got to boil the thing. A little bit of water. Give it another stir. I'm going to give it another stir as our wings stop. What else do I need? My brown sugar. We need some brown sugar. Got some brown sugar in there. Stir it around. Now, one more thing I need is that is pineapple juice. So let me go find my pineapple juice. I should have had it ready, but you know how that goes. I'm gonna take this off for a minute until I can open my can of pineapple juice with the chunks, might I add, with the chunks. I got my pineapple juice. Add some of that. And we need some red pepper as well. Crushed red pepper. Now, I'm gonna do a little more of the Jack Daniels because I dumped some water in there. So, yeah, let that cook for a while. And we're gonna add a little bit of flour. Some people might say add cornmeal or cornmeal. I'm gonna add a little teeny flour. I add some sugar first. No flour up here? Oh shit. I'm gonna add some flour. There we go. Add some flour. Then we're gonna stir it on up. Gonna stir it up. We're gonna let that cook a little longer. Okay, I finished my sauce. It thickened up a lot. So I'll put some on my chicken. Nice crispy chicken. Yeah. Thumbs up. Now I got a mess to clean up.